so excited to show you a new product from Apple called Apple Airpods.
Isn't it crazy that the Airpods came out almost in the box is backwards. Airpods came out 3 years ago. Yeah, I know, it's already been 3 years. What is going on? Gabriel Figueroa here, and in today's video, we're gonna review the Airpods and if they're really worth it after 3 years since their release. Go over the specs and compare them to competitors that since came out since the Airpods. Talking about the Galaxy Buds. Want to know my opinion between these two and what I think is worth your money? I believe these are worth your money. But don't get me wrong, the Galaxy Buds were really close for first place. The reason why the Airpods win for me is because of the battery that these carry. Cannot tell you how many times I have to charge my Galaxy Buds every single day. These can last like 2 days without charging. Samsung rate the Galaxy Buds battery life to be 6 hours with the earbuds and 7 hours on the case. Let's go over sound quality. Let's see which one is better. Do you guys think it's the Galaxy Buds or the Airpods? I do not have my Galaxy Buds Plus with me simply because I rode them on a roller coaster, which was dumb of me. You stupid. And it fell off, so, but I do remember how the sound is because I had it for like 3 months before I got AirPods, so. It's been a long day. Sound quality for me goes to, the winner goes to AirPods. Me personally, I love my music loud, like very loud. On the other hand, gets loud, but it doesn't get you as loud as like the AirPods do. The sound of the Galaxy Buds have a bit more bass because of the lack of like being super loud. AirPods again win sound quality. Let's talk about fit. Fit goes to 100%. 100. Oh my gosh. Goes 100% to. Are you kidding me? 100% to the Galaxy Buds. These fit my ears so well. It doesn't get uncomfortable for me like the AirPods do. I always had a problem with Apple earphones, like with Beats, like the in-ear Beats, not like the overhead, but the in-ear ones. And the in-ear like Apple headphones that come with your iPhone. I've always had a problem with those, always. It's just my ear canal is just so small and the AirPods are just so big, so it doesn't fit my ears right. Earpods are just so big and the earbud. Been a long day. The AirPods are just so big and my ear canal is just so small, so like it doesn't fit right with my ears. Also, the Galaxy Bud gives you ear tips, so they're interchangeable and they're customizable to fit your ears. If your AirPods are really uncomfortable for you, like you literally have to buy like ear hooks to make them fit in your ears. It's just a mess. But honestly, with both Galaxy Buds and AirPods, they will stay in your ears. Like the AirPods, with my ear canal being so small, they still fit in my ears just fine. It's just they get uncomfortable after like an hour or two wearing them. But you can still run with them, you can still work out with them, you can sleep with them on, like it's fine. The biggest factor when purchasing is the pricing. At the moment right now, AirPods are on sale for $139. I've always had a price set of $139. The plus, I believe the pluses are around 145 if I'm not mistaken. You may be thinking to yourself, well Gabriel, I might as well just save 10 bucks to get the Galaxy Buds. I mean, they're not bad headphones, right? Yeah, no, I totally agree with you. Like, these are not bad headphones at all. It's just the problem with these is just the battery. And I think if you really want good battery life, you gotta get the plus. The one that has a plus at the end, you gotta get the plus. The original ones, the Galaxy Buds, have not good battery at all. Like, if you have an iPhone, I bought an iPhone with Galaxy Buds. I believe it's way better if you buy iPhone with AirPods. If you're any type of Android, I think you should buy the Galaxy Buds Plus simply because Samsung has an app where you can customize these buds to whatever like you hear. So if you want your music to sound like concert, you want your music to have more bass, these Galaxy Buds will give you that. But you really can't customize controls. All you get is double tap to skip a song and I think to hold for Siri, and that's it. That's pretty much it. And if you want more feature with the AirPods, you have to jailbreak your phone for that. Hey guys, overall between AirPods and Galaxy Buds, I'd still believe that AirPods are still worth it after 3 years since their release. I'm getting confused. I don't want you guys to buy the wireless charger, like the Gen 2, people call it AirPods Gen 2. Don't buy Gen 2, that is a completely waste of money. Just to get a wireless charging case, it is such a waste of money. I suggest you guys get the standard one with the charger in the back. Just get the standard one, guys. Trust me, it's gonna save you tons of money. They have amazing battery life. The fit is, it's okay with me. It varies from person to person, and the sound quality is top notch. Actually, the price is fair. $139 for wireless earbuds, that's fair. And they're from Apple. Hit subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, come on, guys, you guys gotta hit that subscribe button. Guys, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Like a comment below this video. What headphones would you buy with your money? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around. Peace.